Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to discuss with you the multiple choice questions from the chapter number 5, that is fundamental unit of life. So today's first question in the second series of this MCQ is question number 16. The question says amoeba acquires its food through a process termed as, options are exocytosis, means the contents are given out of the cell. Plasmolysis means the cytoplasm shrinks. D is exocytosis and endocytosis both. Endocytosis. So endocytosis is the process by which the amoeba acquires its food by extending its pseudopodia. Next question is cell wall of which one of these is not made up of cellulose? Okay. Bacteria cell walls are made up of mucopolysaccharides. So, they are not made up of cellulose. Hydrilla is a plant, so it will be having cellulose. Mango tree, it is a plant or tree and it is having cellulose. Cactus is also a plant. So, all these three will be having cell wall which is made up of cellulose. Okay. So, bacteria is the correct answer. Next question is silver nitrate solution is used to study. Our options are A endoplasmic reticulum, B Golgi apparatus, C is nucleus and D is mitochondria. So, the correct answer for this question is the Golgi apparatus. It is used to study Golgi apparatus. Question number 19. Organelle other than nucleus containing DNA is, options are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria and lysosomes. So, all of you know that mitochondria is a semi-autonomous organelle. It contains its own DNA and ribosomes. So, mitochondria is the answer. Kitchen of the cell is, it is very simple to understand, chloroplast is the kitchen of the cell. Next question, lipid molecules in the cells are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, this is the correct answer for this particular question. Question 22, cells arise from pre-existing cells was stated by, the options are Haeckel, Virchow, Hooke and Sladen. So, the answer for this question will be Rudolf Virchow. Question 23, cell theory was given by Sladen and Swan. So, A is the option. Question 24, the only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell is, are the ribosomes. Here you will find 70S type of ribosomes, whereas in eukaryotic cells you will find 80S type of ribosomes. Our next question is, organelle without a cell membrane is, here ribosomes are there which are not having any cell membrane upon them. Okay. Otherwise, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast and nucleus, they are having well formed membranes. Our next question is, 1 micrometer is equivalent to how much? It is equivalent to 10 to the power minus 6 meters. Okay. It is equivalent to 10 to the power minus 6 meters. 10 to the power 1 minus 9 meter is called as nanometer. 10 to the power minus 10 meters is called as the is angstrom and it is written like this, and 10 to the power minus 3 is called as millimeter. So, our next question will be, our next question is lysosomes arises from, option A endoplasmic reticulum, option B Golgi apparatus, nucleus and mitochondria. So, option B is the correct answer for this. Golgi apparatus secretes the lysosomes. Next question, living cells were discovered by whom? Living cells were discovered by Robert Hooke. Okay. So, next question is, select the odd one out. Okay. Option A, the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane is affected by the amount of substances dissolved in it. It is definitely yes. So, it is the process of osmosis. So, this is one statement. Second statement is, membranes are made up of organic molecules like proteins and lipids. It is also very correct statement. So, it is made up, it is related to membrane formation. Third statement is, molecules soluble in organic solvents can easily pass through the membrane. So, third statement is also related to the transport of the substances. So, this is related to transport. The first statement is related to the transport, but the second statement is related to membrane biogenesis. So, membrane formation. Fourth statement is, plasma membrane contain chitin sugar in plants. Okay. It is also related to membrane formation. So, let us find out the odd one out. Here, as you can see, option C is there. It is saying that organic solvents means like benzene, phenol and all that. So, we are not concerned with the movement of substances across the membrane which are dissolved in organic solvents, because water is a polar solvent or inorganic solvent. So, in this manner, though option A and C are related to the transport, but option C is related to organic solvents, and that is why option C will be the odd one out of these options. Last question of this series is, which of the following statements mark as a difference between plant cell and an animal cell? Option A is, plant cells have cell wall while animal cells do not. Okay, so this is a correct statement. Plant cells do not have a vacuole while animal cells do have. So, this is a wrong statement because plant cells have a very large vacuole. So, this is a wrong statement. Plant cells have only cell membrane while animal cells have both cell wall as well as cell membrane. Clearly a wrong statement. Plant cells have more plastids while animal cells have few plastids. Animal cells do not have plastids. So, this is also a wrong statement. So, as a answer we can select the option A. So, that is it students from the second part of the multiple choice questions from the chapter number 5, fundamental unit of life cell. For more content and for more MCQs and for more chapter wise explanation, please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and share it amongst your friends and relatives. Thanks a lot for watching the content.